Okay, 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 okay. 160. United States. 4-win streak. 80 collection power. 6 trillion winnings. 71% win percentage. Black Diamond. 6 trillion winnings. I got matched. itsAamir got matched with this guy in Venice when I was playing yesterday. Are you ready to see what happened? Let's find out. Let's find out. So now it was, I think, his break or something, and we were obviously playing in direct because he knows us. He's a subscriber. He goes for the brown ball. He was going for back-to-back bank shots. He's gonna go for the green top right pocket against smooth shot. Now blue in the bottom right. I was shocked. That's why I said, how could this be? And now it was my turn, so blue ball will go inside now, thankfully. Orange is gonna go now. Top right. See, I potted my cue ball as well, and I was about to pot the black, but that didn't happen. His turn, he pots the yellow ball. Okay, then what will... Okay, he was going for a trick shot attempt, obviously, but he failed, no problem. And now it's gonna be my turn. Indirect bank shot on the brown. What do you people think? Oh, watch this shot. Check this shot out. Top right pocket has been called. Full force. Oh, but I scratched. I forgot. I scratched after a pretty nice trick shot. He was shocked. One thing I would say, whoever this guy is, Shkreli or Kreli, if it's silent, he's a great player. He was going for the top right pocket. If the black ball touched the cue ball, there was a possibility that it would have gone inside, but he kind of failed the shot. Now, fast forwarding, I am back to the exact same position. This is a coincidence, and I go for the exact same shot that he went. And let's see, I was kind of trying to be sarcastic, so I said initializing ball putting sequence. Same shot, now itsAamir is going to do it. I think I told enough by the commentary. And I said target. I really like to say target eliminated after a successful trick shot. But once again, I'm saying I was blown away by how consistent. The best thing about this player was the consistency of his bank shots. I'm telling you, Shkreli, unbelievable bank shot player. Red ball, I'm gonna go for. Okay, nice shot. Now, okay, I cut to the bank shots because we were playing in direct. Obviously, it's no rocket science. Combination shot, purple to the green. I was on fire. Just kidding. Right now, orange ball in the top middle pocket. Ah, but I failed. I failed, yes. The orange went inside the top left. And now it's going to go for... I thought this orange solid ball will not go in because it was too much stuck to the rail, but it did. Yellow! Okay, then I think he missed this. Yeah, he missed the... that match ended with a failed trick shot or something. I went for a fail. Putted the black in the wrong pocket or something. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Double bank shot, blue ball, top middle pocket. It's not an easy one, but we made it somehow. And now I think I went for the red. Again, a difficult bank shot. Nice and smooth. Now I'm going to go for the black in the top left. I was actually very close. If I didn't change the aim in the last moment, it would have gone inside. It was going in, but I did change it. And now it's going to absolutely dominate, man. This guy, I'm telling you, consistency of this guy's bank shot is incredible. He cleared the entire table. And his level justifies that 960 level. Okay, again, watch this. Okay, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. I'm going to show you people once again. This was an unbelievable shot. Green to the yellow bottom left pocket. Despite of all the balls on the table, required a lot of precision. I'm not complimenting myself because I'm already the best player in the history that this game has ever seen. So let's go for the shot. Sarcasm that was. I have to mention sarcasm every time because I don't want some people to take that seriously. But I scratched, so I was unlucky. Again, a great shot at him. A brown ball in the top right pocket, and watch it, watch it. I was trying to use a black ball to do... I was close, not very far away. I was in really a good mood yesterday night, so... Green ball time. Brown ball time, okay. And I think now I was unable to put the... Oh, yeah, I remember. Watch this shot attempt. You have seen my shot attempt, now see his one. He's calling the bottom middle pocket, top spin he adds. Very nice could-be shot. It was a kiss shot, obviously. He was not very far away, just inches away. The black ball was about to go inside. And I said, "You are awesome, man," to him. And now he's going to call the bottom left. And he's going to make this shot. Double rotational shot. That's what we call it on the channel. Kind of a pretty fair game. It was, the ending score was 4-3. Well, it really, I mean, the point was not who's gonna win, because this was not a competition. This was a friendly match, okay? Don't think this was a competition, because all of my stuff, it's unbelievable, man. Okay, is there any person who is 999 from the USA? I will find it out. If anyone is, let me know with the name. Master Charlie never hit 999, right? As far as I remember. Okay, this is another player. Top middle pocket. This was another match, actually. What a calculation. What a calculation this was, man. Now it's my chance. The sun is shining on me. I had a top spin so that I can go for this purple ball that I'm going to go for now. And okay, now I'm gonna go for the blue in the bottom right, and now I'm gonna go for the orange in the bottom left. That's how we roll. And I think I messed up. Okay. Happy. I was obviously very happy. I was shocked that I made this shot. And I think there's one last. He says you play like a pro. There's one last. Okay, this table clearance is blue. I think this match will also end with a trick shot. Now I'm risking it. My cue ball will touch the yellow, but nothing bad happened. And it is gonna be. Okay, now it's gonna go for. Oh, there's one really crazy shot. Might be the best shot of this video. Check this out. The black is over there. Watch this. Just watch this shot. The good thing about this, guys, if you're a Venice, in whatever table you play, listen one thing. Never go for learned shots. People get the ball in hand in the end, and they place the cue ball near a border, which is obviously, it's totally planned. They place it on a diamond, and they set their aim to what, it's just fixed. Loser. You're a loser, I'm telling you, if you do that. It's not a trick. You didn't use your mind for that shot, because it's just set. So I'm going to see you people in the... wait. Don't leave. Don't leave. Live gameplay remains. So now I'm not going to be playing in Venice. Let's actually go to one table below, which is Berlin. Okay, it's updating for some reason. Let's change to the... What is this? Mini football cue? When did I get this? Okay, let's play football a bit. Oh yeah, let's go to Berlin and play some football. Okay, I honestly don't know how I got this cue. If anyone knows, just let me know. Maybe I think it's a reward or something by Miniclip. They're giving it for free. So, I wanted my break. Still, it was a mistake that he went for solids. Maybe he's gonna put it. Oh, he does. Oh, thank you for not putting it over there. This is the difference between Venice and Berlin players. Obviously, a lot of people are super legendary in Berlin as well, because everyone does not have the pro membership. So I'm not discriminating between, but Venice, there's absolutely a very less chance that someone is gonna mess up. All right, so I have to definitely go for the orange ball right now. Is the sound being recorded? Yes, it should be. Oh, okay, wait, let's go for the blue. I'm a bit confused. First of all, the black is in a potable position, but not in a very nice... That could have been embarrassing. My reaction was already embarrassing, but the result could have been even more. Can I go for a bank shot? I think yes, I can. Let's go for it and seal the deal. In Berlin, 3, 2. Absolutely smooth bank shot, man. Hit the like button right now. What are you two people? What are you doing? Hit the like button on this video. I love it when you people like the video. That will be my breaks. I will play one more. I'm actually kind of hungry right now, so after recording this video, I will go eat something. Okay, but remember that I'm not using a legendary cube. I'm using a mini football cube. So let's try to win this game. Maybe we can prove today that the cube matters to some extent. You know, I've said the cube matters, but if you know how to play the game, which I don't know, it's still, I mean, if it's a medium cube, it will still do the job. Very slowly. The right side of the table is the problem right now. Okay, let's go for this shot. Oh, I forgot there's less force, but I think this will still not be bad. There are two options. I can either go for the black in the bottom middle or in the bottom, top left. Not bad. The brown ball will be the problem. I just wish if the brown ball were not there. Oh! Yeah, he knows I've messed up. That's why I'm speaking so much. So I'm gonna say relax. And show him who's the boss. This is live gameplay. Where are all the people who used to tell me that I don't play? I mean, I don't play live. I'm a bad. Some people even said that I hire other players to play on my account. And then, where are you people right now? I know you are still watching this video. So, I don't know. I usually don't talk like this, but that used to hurt me because it was my original gameplay. And when someone will say that, oh my god, he's not even playing, that was bad. So, very nice. Okay, I was trying to prove how to win a match with not a very good queue, and we successfully did that in Berlin, so I'm happy. I don't know, the only thing is his win percentage is 70.7%, but I'm not judging him, but he was not focusing a lot. He was not focusing on the spin and all, so I don't know why. Again, I'm not judging, but orange ball, I heard you wanted to be potted in this pocket, I mean. Oh, yes, you were right. But because of these bank shots, okay, let's try to clear this green and oh, that was bad. Who's the ball? Oh, sorry. In the past 4 or 5 videos, my commentary has been way too much arrogant, I know. And now it is time to go for a combination. Then the red ball will go up. And most likely I will go for a bank shot on the red ball. Yeah, so all the man, there are some stuff that just cannot be taught. They will come by experience. And my only goal, as I have said multiple times, is to help you people. I'm not even in top, well, 1,000 is also an understatement. Maybe I'm not under top 10,000 players in this world. I agree. I totally agree. I'm not exaggerating. But my only goal is whatever I know, I want you people to know. Seal the deal, man. Sorry. I'm not that big-hearted right now. I didn't want to spoil this, such a nice clearance, you know, direct clearance. Now let us go to, let's open first of all this Berlin box and go to one, not Paris or Rome, Paris or no, I've played, okay, let's go to Cairo. It's been some time, I'm gonna say, it's been probably 3 weeks or something that I played in Cairo. So let's go over. By the way, I'm at 119 billion coins right now. My next milestone is gonna be 150 billion, so I'm playing kind of less these days. Because if you notice, when I uploaded I reached 100 billion video, 15 days after that, I was at approximately, I'm gonna say 113 billion. And now I'm kind of stuck because I'm not playing that much. I'm having more other things to do. Nice break, dude. Why are people getting such nice breaks right now? Oh no, the top right pocket side is not nice. Luciano, Brazil? Yeah, the name sounded like Brazilian. I think it's possible. Not full. Why am I still playing with this queue? Now I'm gonna change the queue, man. Let's use the Atlantis queue. I will go for this pocket. Again, a very easy game. I want to go for some bank shots, some more bank. Okay, let's go for a combination shot first. This was possible. Let's go for the brown. Okay, now I will go for the yellow. Yes, I can. But see, I'm gonna risk it, guys. I'm gonna go for the yellow. I don't know whether I'll be able to pop the red ball after this, so it's just gonna be my luck. And I can! Oh, usually I'm not this lucky. So we're gonna win this match again, once again. Black is gonna go simply in the... He must be wondering why I went for that indirect bank shot on the purple ball, like out of the blue. Thank you. But Brazil, I'm noticing one thing in my YouTube analytics. Brazil and USA, these two countries are like... I'm gonna say the trend of 8-ball pool is rising, where they're also Indonesia as well, because the audience retention is a lot from the USA and Brazil in the past 28 days. Let's go to Toronto. Should have gone for the yellow ball. Okay, I'm gonna give one last try. This is why I did backspin. No, this will not work. Oh! First off, my aim was wrong. Second off, the spin was okay. My plan was okay. Okay, now he's got... Is he gonna add backspin on this shot? Yeah. 614? Yes, I'm also unable to clear that, but the way he is messing up is pretty... Man, this game is rigged.